Good morning students, welcome back our online class science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to start that our revision second chapter, that is nutrition in animals. Okay students, in previous video already have studied that what are the revisions about the nutrition in plants in the web charts already have discussed, but today we are going to discuss about the nutrition in animals. Students, what is that? Now when that animals are taking food, whenever you will take as solid form, that is called as, what is that? The process is called as holozoic nutrition. Okay students, when the animals taking the food in the form of solid, that is called as holozoic nutrition. And students, when the animals are taking the foods, there are different steps are there. What are that? One is injection, second one is digestion, third one is absorption, fourth one is assimilation, fifth one is egestion. Okay students, these are the different steps of nutrition in animals. Okay students, so the food eaten, so let us discuss about that. The food eaten by the animals undergoes 5 steps. So write down students different steps of nutrition. Okay students, in animals, so different steps how it is that food is taking the nutrition by the animals, that is there are different steps it is going on. So what are that? Now so students, remember students, first one, that is called as ingestion. Okay, next it will go for the digestion. Third one it will come students, absorption. Okay, fourth one will go assimilation. Fifth one will go egestion. Okay students, there are the 5 steps are there students. One is ingestion, second one is digestion, third one is absorption, fourth one is assimilation, fifth one is egestion. So first of all we have to discuss about the students, what is the ingestion. Now when that animals taking the food into the mouth, that process is called as ingestion. Students, did you understand what is the ingestion? Now the food is taken by the animals into the mouth, while we are taking the rice to mouth by help of our hands, that process is called as ingestion. So different animals using different body parts to take the food into the mouth. Suppose human beings, what are they helping that? By hands. By hands they are taking the food into the mouth. Similarly, if you go for the amoeba, how it is taking the food? By the pseudopodia or false food. Whenever that false food, amoeba like this is there friends. So these are called as false foods. Okay, so whenever the foods will come like this, these two like this or this one are called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia or false food, we can say this both. So like this finger structure, like this two, like this finger like it is coming irregular shape, that is, so these are called as what is that? Pseudopodia. Okay, by this it is the amoeba capturing the food. Okay students, second one is that we can say if any insects, okay, butterfly, they are having that water, how like it is taking that, they are food like that. Suppose if you take that one, suppose frog, okay, food tube is there, one food tube is there, that it is taken by the insects. Again, if you take that, suppose frog, how it is? By the tongue. Snake by swallowing. So insect, okay. So there are different parts, different body parts that are helping to catch or catch the food and to taking into the mouth or to the body. Okay students. So this process is called as injection. This injection, this is over. Now we can decide about that. What is the digestion? Students, after that foods entering to the mouth, it will be chewed by gut mouth or by any way it will be digested. Okay, there are so many methods are there, how like small intestines are helping for that, and stomach, what is that, how like digestion coming. First of all, we will study that. You have already studied that how the digestion taking place. Okay, so second step is the digestion. First we have to keep the food inside, that is called digestion. Whenever the food is breaking into small or simpler substances, that is called as a digestion. Did you understand, friends? Digestion means the food substances broken down or break into simpler substances. Okay, so first it was solid substances, so that is broken or break into simple substances, that is called as a digestion. Small parts it will become, that is called as a digestion. Okay friends, next will come absorption. Whenever the food will be digested, after that what will happen, friends? It will absorb by that cell organs and cell things are there. What are the nutrients are there? It will be absorbed from the food, from the digestion food. Okay, that process generally taking place in the small intestine, so that is called as absorption. Next, fourth one process method is called as assimilation. Students, what do you mean by assimilation? Assimilation means after that absorb the nutrients, it will reach in the different parts of the body or different parts of the cell. Different cells it will reach that nutrients. Okay friends, so that is that process. How like through the blood, through the circulatory systems, through the blood, it will reach into the different organs, different part of our body. Which one? That nutrients. Okay, that is called as assimilation. That means it is distributing to the all parts of that. Whatever the energy getting that from the food, what are the nutrients getting from the food, all is distributing through the blood to the different parts of the body or different organ. So next friends, egestion. Egestion means that removing. After that collecting, after the observing the nutrients from the food, the remain waste things which are not digested or which one is not uses, that things will come out through the anus. That process is called as a digestion. These are generally 5 steps of the different steps of nutrition, how the food is entering from the mouth and how the undigested food or the waste things it will come out the body. These are the 5 steps of the nutrition of the different steps. Okay students, next we will discuss about the nutrition in amoeba, in or and other animals, how they are taking the nutrition or how their foods is digesting in the body. We will see in the next video. Okay students, thank you all of you.